As you know, the African car guy, I'm back, and today we have the BMW 320i, and this particular one is a 2024 model. Yes, so let's go around it and see how it looks. 2024 model. Let's go. Yeah. So guys, this is it. This is the G20, as you can see. Beautiful headlights all around, sensors all around, parking, reverse cameras, and this one comes with the M Sports package. So even though it's not a performance car, but it looks sporty, so that's it. With that twin exhaust as well. The African car guy number plate. Sorry for not being able to wash it. It's been a long day, and as I realized I needed to wash it, the time wouldn't give me a time. Yeah, so I had to do it as it is. Beautiful G20. Look at the headlights. It's the headlight that really makes it looks very nice, tidy. And this particular one is a 2024 model, and it's on 21,000 miles only. Got it for a customer. So guys, let's go to the interior and check the interior out as well. So that's it.
Cruising through the streets, got my engine roaring loud. African pride, yeah, I'm repping my crowds. Cape Town to Lagos, the journey so bright.
Check out the interior. This comes with a premium interior, as you can see. Alcantara together with leather, very comfortable. Leather around, just a bit of plastic. M Sports plates. Yeah. So let's start it up and see. As you know, BMW is always push starts. Yeah, the interior is very, very solid. As you can see, Alcantara, leather mix. Yeah. The console, the center console is also it looks very nice and tidy. Yeah. That's all the text, paddle shifts, multifunctional steering wheel, nicely done. Touch screen is not all that responsive, but we will take it as it is. Very beautiful. Very, very a bit of storage over here. And when you come to the it comes with an 8-speed automatic gearbox with the option of Sports, Comfort, Eco Pro, and when you select the Sports, it has individual and whatever you want to put to. Yes, and it's on 21,000 miles, as I said. Yeah, so let's go to the back seat. Very beautiful car all around. Oh. So there's also the back seat. Very nice leather Alcantara in between. Yeah, and you can adjust the heating or climate or whatever. The passenger can also adjust. Yeah, auto. Yeah, it's a nice car, but as you know, it's not a performance car. But if you need a nice sporty looking car that has all the performance features, this is the car to buy. And the boots also, I think is 480 liters of boot space, which is very good. with a twin exhaust. Yeah. So guys, that's it. We take it for a drive. So all that we need to do is take it for a drive and we are done. So guys, let's go. So beautiful people, let's take it for a drive. As I said, this is a 2024 model, and it has only 21,000 miles, and with this mileage and the year, it will cost about 26,000. So they are making huge sum of profit from this car. Yeah, so let's go. Yeah. Yes, this is the BMW 320i, as I said, the 2024 model. Well, it drives well, and the spec of this thing is that because it's the M Sports, it comes with the M Sports pack. So yeah, it's a bit sporty, but it's not a performance model. For that one, it's not a performance model, as you can see. Yeah, but it's quite impressive for a 2.0 car. Yeah, so let me go to the specification. It makes 0 to 60 in just 7.4 seconds, but that's the book number. But actually, what I've heard is it does 6.9 seconds. Yeah, and the top speed of this thing is 146 mph. Our tank is 300 newton meters of torque, and emission is 146 grams per kilogram per kilometer. Yeah, so yeah, I've been driving this for almost 120 miles. What I've seen is it drives very well, very nice interior. Yeah, very solid interior, very solid interior. But as you know, if you want a fast car, then this is not the type that you should buy. You should go for either the 330i M Sports or the M340i. That's the one you will need if you need the speed. This is sporty, but it's not a performance car. That's all that I will say. But the interior looks very great, very comfy. Yeah, and it drives very well as well. So that's all that I can tell you about this 2024 BMW 320i. Yeah, the looks is also very beautiful. It looks very beautiful. Yeah, from what I've seen. Yeah, so far as I'm concerned, all the BMW 3 Series model, this is the one that to me is beautiful than all the others, all the old ones. And yeah, it's very simple and beautiful. Yeah, it drives very well. The interior is very quality, made of quality materials, together with Alcantara and leather and a bit of plastic. The screen touch, even though I don't like digital tech like this, but it works well. It's a bit responsive. It's a bit responsive, so it's okay. So if you are looking for a nice sporty car, which is not a performance car but it looks sporty, then because this one comes with the M Sports pack, so yeah, it looks sporty. So if you are looking for a beautiful, nice saloon for daily run around or luxurious, yeah, do consider one of these BMW 320i G20 or G21 or so. Yeah, in the car, or known in the car as the G20 or G21. This is the 2024 model. Yeah, it drives very well. Yeah, and when you come to the it has drive modes, paddle shifts, yeah, everything that a modern car should have, it has. Yeah, yeah. When it comes to the drive mode, it has let me check, sports mode, comfort mode, Eco Pro. Comes in 3 drive modes. Yeah, that's it. And it comes with also a electric handbrake. Yeah, parking as drive assist is all in there. Yeah, and it has a 2.0 twin turbo engine, twin power turbo engine. Yeah, so that's all that I can say for this car. It drives very well. So yeah, if you are looking out for a normal day-to-day car which looks sporty, yeah, do consider this BMW 320i 2024. And this particular one can cost around 36,000 pounds. Yes, so you should know. Yeah, so with this, guys, I would have to end it here. And as I always say, don't forget to subscribe and also share. Please do well to subscribe. Hit the like button as well. Yeah, if you find our content informative and also nice to watch. So guys, I would have to leave you here. See you on my next video. Bye bye.